the right or the fourth. All riders must be 34 inches in height. Must be 34 inches in height and fill all available space. Okay, please move forward, fill in all available space. Those in back of the room, watch your backs. The doors will be closing. Please direct your attention to the screen above. Steven Spielberg and E.T. will have a special message just for you.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. You see, a big problem has developed 3 million light years away on E.T.'s home world, the Green Planet. E.T.'s friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what E.T.'s friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help E.T. find them once we get him home, and there's not a moment to lose, because only E.T.'s magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him.
Steven.
Ah, E.T.
Trouble.
That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and E.T. will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with E.T., tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass.
Oh.
Sounds like E.T.'s ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, E.T.'s counting on you, and so am I.
Oh.
It's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
Dustin. Thank you.
Find the one you call E.T. Bring him home to the Green Planet. His friend, deeply moved, needs a healing touch.
my job. My job is to ask people's names and text them. Oh, wait, I was
Say from right now.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET! They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off!
this way.
Hold it right there! You're under! Whoa!
Got him. At the bottom of the hill.
504, Roger. Frequency 5, clear on through 101 to number 3.
Alright, kid! End of the road! Whoa, watch it! Hey! Stop! They're getting away! Look, they're flying!
E.T. Go to deep.
Dickly. Ouch. Welcome home. You returned to
Welcome home.
Mad Dog.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Goodbye, Jake, Preston, Eliana, Zen, Bella.
Attention, please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride field.
Thank you.
Right here.
Attention, please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride field.
Yeah, and you guys will exit right through here, too.
It's all good in the book.
You wanna go over there?
Todo ya. Todo ya me lo voy a comprar en